Hey everybody, it's Stephanie and Karen with Food and Family.
Hello.
We are celebrating Cinco de Mayo. So we're getting our recipes ready to give out to y'all so that y'all might have some ideas about what you want to do. First, we're going to start off with marinating our chicken for the chicken tostadas that we're going to do. So first, we have taken, how many limes did we use? I'm going to say 4 limes for 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders. And I've juiced them. And because it's going to add flavor, I'm adding a few of the rinds in here.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And we are going to use Mexican chili mix.
And you got this actual in the Mexican aisle.
Authentic Mexican aisle. That's where you're going to find the best seasoning.
Yes.
And it's cheaper than the bottled brand.
And this is what?
This is the Mexican chili mix.
Oh.
And we're going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of this and throw in here. And about 3-4 tablespoons of olive oil. And that is it. We're going to close it up.
Do we use garlic in this?
Oh, yes, we do. I was testing you.
She tests me all the time.
And we're going to use 2 to 3.
Oh, let's do 3.
Yeah.
We love garlic.
I'm glad you reminded me of that.
I just saw it sitting there. Oh, it smells so
It
good.
does smell it.
Oh, it's not even cooked, y'all. It smells. Oh my word! I can't wait. We will be trying these today.
Alright, make sure that's good and filled, and then you're just gonna give that a good mix.
Kind of massage it into that meat. Now, can you cook this on like a Blackstone griddle as well as in a frying pan?
So I use this same marinating recipe when we're doing fajitas. We do those on the Blackstone. I also do this with steak or pork. It works well with both.
Oh, okay, that's good to know.
Alright, and just set this to the side. Give it about 2 hours to marinate. And we will come back and cook this shortly. Alright, we are back. Our chicken has been marinating about 2 hours. And so we've got a pan heated up with about a tablespoon of oil in it. And we're just going to sit these over in there and start cooking.
It won't take these long to cook.
No.
So this is what, chicken tenders? Is that what you bought?
Yes, and you can use chicken thighs if you want. Chicken tenders, or whatever you prefer.
Or if you bought like a whole breast, you could cut that up and use it as well.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, it does. And you say sitting in that lime juice for those couple of hours, citric acid, or citrus juices, I should say, will start to cook meat. It's a tenderizer. It will tenderize it.
And you can already tell it's already breaking down the chicken.
So it will not take it long at all to cook.
Alright, so we're going to cook this. It's probably going to take about 15 minutes maybe. And we will be back and start shredding it up. And then we'll work on the other parts for the tostadas.
Oh, Stephanie, that smells so good.
It does. Alright, our chicken is done. So we're going to take it up and shred it to go on top of our tostadas. Oh, that smells good.
And it's got just the right amount of char, if you even want to call it
Give it
that.
the flavor.
Yes.
I'm gonna need these two. They're attacking me.
All right, well, let's let her get this shredded up, and we're going to come back, and she's going to fry up these tortillas and show us how we put this together. Okay.
All right, we are back. We've got our shredded chicken, and we've got our tostada fried tortilla. We use flour. I prefer corn, but they did not have that this morning. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to do a smear of the black bean, refried black beans.
We just opened a can and put it in the microwave. You could use the refried pinto beans or really anything you wanted.
And I did add to this 1 juice lime and 1 teaspoon of the Mexican chili powder.
And if you don't want beans, you can leave them off.
And I usually would prefer guacamole. She doesn't like guacamole, so we're not going to do that. Some fresh cut cilantro.
I like cilantro, and I know it's one of those things, a lot of people don't like it. And, but I happen to like it, and I like the smell of it. So you're just building flavor after flavor.
Mm-hmm. All right, our pico.
And this is something you can put as little or as much as you want.
Yeah, if you don't like some of these, you can add or put in whatever you want. It's just what you like is taste. Some green chili.
This just happens to be things we like. Except for the guacamole.
And that's why we don't have guacamole. All right, and our cheese.
Let's see, what are we using? Queso Fresco,
Yes,
isn't it?
queso fresco, the crumbling cheese.
It's a crumbling cheese, and it sure is good.
Good squeeze of lime on top.
And that just sets it off, I think, the lime.
There is our chicken tostadas.
Give it a taste.
Let's give it a taste. Hear that crunch? This might be a pizza kind of situation. Just
So that's what I think I'm
up
going
and
to
eat
do. That's what I think I'm going to do, is just pick it up and eat it. Take a bite. It's different. That chicken,
That hit of lime on top did it too.
yes. That lime brought out everything.
It's not a heavy, it's really fresh.
Okay, guys. We hope you'll make this and hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please let us know. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you would do differently, if anything, what you would use or wouldn't use. We'd like to know these things. We'd like to hear it. We'd like to hear your way. But we certainly appreciate each and every one of you. Please come back and join us again. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, everybody. See you soon. Bye.